Alright, what is up everyone? For this tutorial, I've had a lot of requests actually since it's been discovered, is how to session hijack. Pretty big, pretty simple, easy task actually. Really big threat if used right. I'm gonna go ahead and explain session hijacking for those who are watching this video and don't know or understand what it is and how it works. Session hijacking is pretty much taking over you logging in, an attacker taking over its target logging in to a certain website's session. So, for instance, I'm at Starbucks using their open Wi-Fi network, and I log into my Facebook, and somehow someone else gets it. I've always heard it. Nothing's secure. It goes through the air. But how does it work? I'm going to demonstrate that and show step by step exactly how it's done and how easy it is. It's really scary. To explain what actually happens when you log into Facebook, I'm going to go here. I'm going to head to Facebook real quick. Go. Okay. On Facebook, it asks you up at the top for your email and your password right off the bat. And what that does is whatever you type in, it submits it to Facebook. Facebook references it with its database, and once it finds that you are a legitimate user and combination, it creates a cookie for your current session, and it sends it back, and then it is stored into your browser. So when you press, for instance, right here, keep me logged in on Facebook, it will actually keep that cookie in there for next time you log in on your browser. If not, obviously, it's terminated once you're done, once you press log out. And then next time you sign in, it creates another cookie. What we're going to be using here is a program called Wireshark. Wireshark is a packet sniffer. It can monitor one computer or a whole entire network. Every packet, request, and response that goes in and out of your network from computer to the internet. Now, the idea is if you can capture that one cookie from Facebook as it goes back to your target's computer and use an injector somehow to inject that into your browser instead of the default cookies it uses when you get on Facebook, then you can take over that session. For injecting cookies, I'm going to be using Grease Monkey and a script for Wireshark cookie injecting. I'm going to go ahead here and start this up. Open Wireshark now. And like I said, this will work on anywhere. See, the point of this would be to load this all onto a laptop and take this to Starbucks or any open Wi-Fi connection where there's people constantly on it or always on it, logging in and out. And then you're going to be constantly pressing scanning for these threads, which I'm going to demonstrate in a few, until you find one, a target that has logged in, or you know when your target is going to be logging in. I do not have another computer right now available that I can load onto my network to demonstrate it, so I'm just going to be using two different web browsers to demonstrate two different computers. So in Wireshark, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start capturing my Realtek interface. And now it is capturing every packet that goes in and out from my computer to the internet. Requests and responses. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and minimize that now. I'm going to use, we're going to use Internet Explorer, the godforsaken Internet Explorer, as our target computer. So we're going to head to Facebook, and obviously I'm logged out here. Now I'm going to log in. Oops. And log in. So now I'm on my Facebook, right? Let's go around somewhere so that it gets out of the HTTPS, which is only your login. Look at some random stuff. Comment for no reason. There we go. Alright. Now, I'm going to go down, and we're going to head down to our Wireshark here. And all we're going to do for this is press Edit, Find Packet. And the packet name we're going to be looking for Facebook, the session cookie, is DAT-R. and we're going to be looking for the string and the packet details. Now before I go ahead and demonstrate this, I'm going to explain first that .r is only the name of the session cookies for Facebook. Anywhere else you go, Gmail, eBay, Yahoo, Amazon, any other login, that cookie for session logins will be a different name, so you'll have to figure those out. Usually you can figure them out just by Googling, because a lot of people will upload that stuff. And now I'm just going to click Find. And I'm actually gonna, it's been glitching. Mine is I actually need to reinstall. Yeah, it's changing it a little. Until I get the full length and it doesn't change anymore. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, so now we have it already captured right here. Now this cookie. This is in .r. There's our file. It's all we really need. So we're just going to right click that, and we're going to copy, we're going to bytes, and we're going to printable text only, and that's all we're going to copy. Now, we're going to use my computer, the attacker. I'm going to open Firefox as that example, because we all love Firefox, right? And we're going to head over to Facebook, which is logged out. Now I'm going to press Alt-C, which is my command for my Grease Monkey add-on, and it shows up in the middle of the page. And we're just going to paste in that cookie and inject it, and all I'm going to do is press refresh, and now I am in that user session that easily. I can show whatever I want. I can post whatever I want. There we go, posted. Now if I try to go anywhere though, like account settings, it will catch it generally. Let's see, account settings, let's see what happens. Is it going to ask me? Oh, it did it this time. Sometimes Facebook will actually catch it and notice that that cookie was duplicated, and it will ask you to log in. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I mean, you look at how fast that was. Anyone can do this. You can just get that program, find the right cookie injectors, and monitor any network, inject that cookie, and you have that person's info, and you're on their profile. I think that's all I'm going to show for this one for right now. Hold on. Wait, oh, okay. No, I'm not helping you right now. So I'm going to go ahead and log out here. Now that was I just logged out in Internet Explorer, which was our subjects. Now let's press Alt-C and attacker computer. Go ahead and paste in that same, inject it, and press refresh, and it doesn't do it anymore. So sometimes it will actually. I really can't get into depth right now and explain why that works sometimes and why not. I'd be here for the next 2 hours. But the point is, you really need to capture it as they log in. So you have to constantly be monitoring and waiting for that packet to show up in Wireshark here. Because once that packet does come up and it does capture, you just only have a short window of time before you have no access anymore using that cookie's code. I think that's going to go ahead and be it for this one. I will be making more tutorials on other things. I think I'm going to be net statting some Skype calls and showing how to trace, get addresses, names, and phone numbers of everyone in the household of any random person that calls you on Skype or sends you a file. I believe I'll be making that actually within a few minutes, so it should be up within the next few hours. Hope this helped for all those who have asked me to do this video, and you have a great night.